One important thing you want to do when you're looking to buy a car, get the Carfax when you're looking to buy a used car. Don't assume, don't take the salesperson's word, don't take the finance manager's word. Look at the Carfax. If you buying it for sale by owner, you buying it from a dealership, you buying it from a B lot, you want to look at the Carfax. If it says total loss, structural damage, run away. Now, any dealership that's a franchise store, which means it's a Chevy, a Buick, a GMC, a Mercedes, whatever, that's a franchise store. If you go to an independent lot, I call it a B lot. An independent lot is someone that owns the dealership, but they just they have 1, 2, 3 stores, or they got one store, it doesn't matter. They're independent lot. They're not hooked up to a franchise dealer. Independent lots will sell vehicles that have structural damage, or maybe the vehicle was total loss, airbags deployed. You want to look at the Carfax, because if that Carfax has structural damage, total loss, walk the hell away. Walk the hell away. Walk the hell away. Sometimes we see cars that look nice, but they've been put back together. They've been put back together. They look good, but someone was able to put that car back together where it looks like nothing's happened with the car. But the structural damage is damage you're not always able to see, because someone was able to put that car back together. But if you look at the Carfax, it'll tell you that. Now, I'm not an expert to exactly tell you where it is and where you can look, because that's not what I do. But I'm just giving you a little bit of knowledge to know if you see a car for sale by owner or at an independent lot and it's too good to be true, the deal, walk away. If you're watching my videos and you like what you hear, you like what I say, and you don't want to make a mistake, and you want to get some consultation before you buy that car, you can go to my website, Regina, thequeenofcarloans.com, reginathequeenofcarloans.com, and go to consultation part and book a consultation with me. All right, see you on the next video.